Today we will make a nice bath melt shaped like a chocolate bar. We are using a few amazing ingredients. The main ingredient is cocoa butter. It's an amazing skincare ingredient. This one comes in small pellets, really easy to use and weigh out. Then we add shea butter, that comes in solid form too. The third ingredient is milk powder, the regular one that you find in the grocery store. The reason why we add it is because it is a natural emulsifier, meaning that it will help the oils disperse within the bath water rather than pooling on top. If you have an emulsifier like polysorbate 80, you could use that one instead. I'm going to show you how to estimate how much is needed for a particular mold size. Weigh out one element and then multiply it by the numbers of cavities. Another possibility is to place the mold on a scale, tear it out, add some rice in one cavity, and then multiply the weight by the numbers of cavities. I have another video on my channel going in details about calculations and resizing of recipes that I will leave in the description for you to check out. Let's start by weighing out our two butters and then melt them on a gentle heat. I personally like to use a double boiler because of the gentle heat, but you could also use a microwave. And if you do, use short increments of 30 seconds so you don't overheat your ingredients. Once the butters are fully melted, we are going to add the milk powder and then give it a good stir. I want to add a sweet fragrance and opted for a lemon cake fragrance by Nurture Soap. Now we can pour the mixture into our molds and then allow it to completely harden. I like to place them in the fridge for 30 minutes before unmolding for a nice, easy release. The bath chocolate is ready and we can take it out of the silicone mold. Doesn't it look amazing? I love white chocolate, and by the way, it's made with the same basic ingredients, cocoa butter and milk powder. If you add erythritol or sugar, if you eat regular sugar, you can easily make your own white chocolate with it. For packaging, you could add the bar into a shrink bag or use a cellophane sheet to wrap it in. I thought it would be better to have a more loose type of packaging with this particular consistency. I show you the labels I made with the use of Canva. Here is a scalloped punch that I will use to punch the label in paper form. Now we can add a label like so and secure it with a double-sided tape. Such a great gift idea. Maybe for Valentine's Day? If you are interested in other skincare related videos, check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye!